Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your interests on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram allows users to mark topics they are interested in order to influence the suggested content they'll see as they use to photo and video sharing platform. You can manage your interests on Instagram by tap on your profile and then tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your activity. You can scroll down. On suggested content, there's an option interest. You can tap on that. Tap on interested. So here's the post, the content that you've liked on Instagram. These are posts that you said you were interested in the past 30 days. When a post is removed from this list, you may see fewer suggested posts like it on Instagram. If you want to see fewer suggested posts from this content, you can select, tap on select on the upper right corner. You can choose the post that you want to see viewer. I will choose this and this as example. Now you can tap on remove right here. Now you may see fewer suggested posts like we just removed. So that is how to manage your interests on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!